In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Customer Outstanding Report module. First, click on Report, Customer Report, and Customer Outstanding Report. Here, you will have to fill in your preferences for the report that the system is going to generate, such as the outstanding days, the invoice number that the report begins with, the customer code that the report begins with, salesman, and customer type. For the type field, there are three options: all, non-trade, and trade. Other than that, you can also sort out your customer based on salesman by going to the salesman field over here and clicking on select agent. Here you can then select your salesman, and once you do so, the system will only generate a report that includes customers under the salesman that you selected. So for now, I'll click on all, and over here you can type in your other information. So let's say I want to view the customer outstanding report for the customer XYZ Sanjam Berhad. I'll type in their name over here, and I'll click on Lookup. After that, I'll select their name. Once I do so, and I filled in everything else, I'll click on Generate. Now, as you can see, since I entered the customer code of XYZ Sanjam Berhad, the system will only generate for me a customer outstanding report of XYZ Sanjam Berhad. If you would like to view the outstanding report of all customers, you can just leave this field as blank. Now, moving on. In the report, you can see details such as the branch that handled the transaction, invoice date, invoice number, info, salesman, PO number, reference, the currency of the transaction, and the total and outstanding amounts. You can also see the sum of the total and outstanding column down here at the bottom right. And if you would like to view the documents associated with an outstanding amount, you can click on their invoice number over here. After you do so, the system will redirect you to their corresponding edit page where you can view the document in more detail and even make changes. So moving back, if you would like to search for a particular keyword in this report, you can also utilize the search bar up here. So let's say I want to search for the keyword 1022. After I do so, the system will return to me all customer outstanding entries that have 1022 in any of their columns. Other than that, if you would like to filter out the entries based on column values, you can also click on their respective column headers funnel icon. So let's say I select 2-IBI1666 and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries based on my selection. You can also sort the entries by ascending or descending order based on column values by clicking on the corresponding column header, like so. Additionally, if you would like to group the entries by column value, you can also drag the corresponding column header up here, and vice versa. So as you can see, after I drag the salesman header up here, the system will group the entries based on salesman. If I would like to collapse a group, I can click on the little arrow over here. Finally, if you would like to export this report into Excel or PDF format, you can click on these three buttons over here. Export Excel data and Export to Excel will allow you to export this report into Excel format, while Export to PDF will allow you to export this report into a PDF. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.